Hello, it's Elephant finally. So a really common misconception that we hear in the digital team is that SEO is a one-time activity. So to reap the full benefits of SEO, it does need to be considered an integral part of a well-planned marketing strategy, especially when there are specific company goals that need to be achieved. So today I want to run through kind of my top reasons why SEO does need to be considered an ongoing activity. So to start with, you need to keep tabs on the health of your site. So at any time, there can be numerous issues that pop up that can prevent Google from crawling your website or your site being indexed. These can be a number of different technical issues that need to be addressed and fixed. The second is that there could be a change in your industry. At any point, a new competitor may enter the marketplace. They might be optimizing their website for the same keywords that you're using, meaning that they may be pushing you down those ranking positions. Those keywords become more competitive, you might be ranking lower for them. The next is website content. So you may be updating your website with new content regularly. However, if this content is not well optimized, the right research hasn't been carried out to make sure you have the right keywords that meet the requirements of the searcher and your audience, then you're not going to get the full benefit out of that content. And lastly, external factors. So there are a whole host of external factors that could impact your site. So these could include Google algorithm updates. So there could be a new update that basically affects your organic performance, or even security issues such as your website might be attacked by a hacker potentially. So there's all of these different things that could happen that you may not pick up on if you aren't carrying out SEO activity and keeping an eye on your website. So, and fundamentally, a wise SEO colleague of mine said to me once that SEO can only be treated as a one-time project if your competition are treating it as a one-time project. That is not going to happen. They are going to be investing in SEO. So you're running a risk of being left behind. So yeah, it's really fundamental to include SEO as an integral part of your marketing strategy. And I hope that all makes sense. Thank you.